Should you print with low ink? Stay tuned and we'll find out. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video, and today I wanted to talk to you about printing with low ink. Should you do it? Should you not do it? And what are the causes and effects of printing with low ink? Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Everything printer related, from printer unboxings to printer repairs, is what you're gonna find on this channel. So if this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, the sponsor of today's video is my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Essentially, if you're not printing a certain color, you're printing blank pages, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, you're going to want to purchase this product. There are many instructional videos on my channel. You can click the channel icon, go to videos, and then go to the search bar that is on the side. Type in your specific printer model, and you'll find an instructional video of me showing you how to use this product on your specific printer model. There's also going to be a link down in the description below. If this sounds like an issue that you're having with your printer, check out this product, click the link down in the description below. If you need the product, make a purchase, and then come back and watch the rest of this video. So I'm going to get very specific very quickly with this topic because I know a lot of people have this question. I, in the past, have printed with very low ink, being unaware of the negative effects that has on your printer. So the answer to the question, should you print with low ink, is absolutely no. The reason being is the printer system, the ink system, the way it works is it needs a constant flow of ink. When you take away that constant flow of ink and you're running it down to the very bottom, you can cause a clog, you can cause damage to the print head. The print head is the mechanism by which the ink is inserted and the ink is able to be transmitted from the printer, from the print head down to the paper as it moves back and forth. So to damage the print head is to damage your printing system, thereby rendering your printer useless. What you want to do is you always want to have your ink cartridges or your ink tanks, if you have a tank printer, halfway full. That is a good rule of thumb. That is going to prevent you from, you go into a busy season in life and you forget about it. At least you were halfway. You already understood that you needed to fill up the tanks, that you needed to buy a new set of ink cartridges, so that as soon as you get the message display on your printer that you need to swap out the ink cartridges, then you do that right away. You don't wait, you don't delay that, but you end up changing out your ink right away. The same thing with the tank printer. As soon as it's halfway empty, you want to top it off as soon as possible. And so if that's making that purchase a little sooner rather than later, that is going to save you a lot of headache in the future. Now, another topic we will discuss in another video is also you want to make sure that you are printing semi-regularly. If you don't print for an extended period of time, that can also cause damage to the print head. So remember, never allow your ink to run too low. It's going to cause damage to your printer, and it's going to end up costing you a lot more money than it would be for you to just purchase the ink and install the ink a little bit earlier than you normally would have. This comes from experience from myself and also hundreds of printers that I've seen at Goodwill. The ink cartridge is totally installed, but they're all totally empty, and now the printer is printing blank pages. So that is the evidence that I go by. I also have seen many comments. Many people have that problem. My product that I sell addresses this problem directly. And so I'm very much aware of this issue. And so I want to share that with you so that you can save yourself some money, save yourself some time. Just make sure that you have your ink topped off full for the most part. Don't let it get too low. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. That's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.